Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn formal and informal words. This is a new series of lectures. So we will try to learn how to use them. In our spoken language, we may use any word in any meaning, whichever we like, in whatever way we understand that word. If any miscommunication happens during our conversation, we will be there to correct that miscommunication. But if we are writing something to someone, we will not be able to rectify the mistake we make in our spoken English or conversational English. So we have to avoid some words which are informal in meaning. Like when we want to give some reason, we use but. We use it in our informal language or spoken. But when we are writing formally, we should prefer the use of word however. Similarly, we should not use the word sorry in our formal written communication. We should use the word apologize. We should prefer this word. And similarly, check is informal word. We should not use I'm checking his credentials. You should instead say I'm verifying his credential. I'm verifying the truth of the story. So when prices goes up, when prices go up, we should not say use go up. We should say increase. There is increase in prices of the good. Similarly, we should refrain from using tell. I'm telling him, not I'm informing him. Similarly, exams are starting with effect from 19 July. We should say instead, exams are commencing with effect from 19th of July. I'm helping him is informal. I'm assisting him in arranging his house or in arranging the documents as he desired. It is a tough decision which I have to make. No, the formal should be it is a difficult decision to make. I'm getting this much salary. I'm receiving this much salary. We should, if you want to improve our written English and when we are speaking formally, we should avoid the use of informal words like we use in our conversational language. So these were the words. With another set of words, I will be there. Inshallah, we will share with you all which we should avoid and all which we should write in our written language. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to return to learn something more from this series of lecture.